Good afternoon, everyone. This week's ZTV is all about Claremore's 2023 homecoming, with a couple of announcements on top. So let's get into it.
To start us out, cross country is competing at Owasso tomorrow, so wish them luck.
Next up, all of our volleyball teams will be going against Glenpool at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Make sure to give them some words of encouragement if you see them in the hallways.
Our varsity football team is playing at Grove this Friday at 7 p.m. This week's theme at the game is Hawaiian.
Again with our volleyball team, on the 2nd, they're playing against Coweta, and on the 3rd, against Salina.
On October 3rd, Claremore is hosting National Night Out at Claremore Lake. Be sure to come for a family fun night from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m.
From the 5th to the 7th, the varsity softball team will be going to compete at regionals.
On the 6th, at 9 a.m., the cross country team will be at Walnut Park competing.
Also on the 6th is CYFA night against Pryor at 7 p.m. Be there or be trapezoid.
Our volleyball team will be going into their regionals on the 9th. Wishing you all the best.
Cross country is going to conferences on the 10th. You guys are going to nail it.
Now, on to our 2023-2024 homecoming week. Looking back, let's see what all we did and how our game went.
The Zebras started out the night by congratulating Rex Clark and Jada Jones as the homecoming king and queen. The football team coming into this game had a 3-0 record, looking to make it 4-0 against the Tulsa Hale Rangers. The Zebra defense started the high-scoring night with a 2-point safety, and Braxton Etheridge connected with Gage Decker for a 24-yard touchdown to end the first offensive possession. Late in the second quarter with 5:21 on the clock, the lights at Lanto Field went out, causing a 20-minute delay in the game. Throughout the rest of the game, the Zebras kept their scoring tendencies with Trip Jaxon and Gunnar Holm connecting for their first of varsity touchdowns, and Adam Teets kicking a 31-yard field goal to end the scoring for the night at 44-7. Zebras win.
All right, thank you for tuning in to this week's ZTV, and go
Go
Zebras!